What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Just making my way over to Team Vincent Motorsports. We were finally able to get rid of my last year's 23 model XRS Renegade 850. Thank you, Mark. He's longtime subscriber to the channel. Great guy. We delivered it on the weekend while we were out at the Peterborough show. So really happy to be able to kind of put that sled in someone else's hands, and I think he's going to really enjoy it. And so what does that mean? It means we're on our way to Team Vincent Motorsports. We are picking up the third and final sled for the season. So again, we've been really patient. It's been tough to move sleds this year, but you know, we got her done. And yeah, we're super thrilled. We're going to be doing a really cool showroom build, which we haven't actually done in a while. We did a few in the past, but we haven't done one this year. So we're going to be building my brand new sled. Not going to tell you what it is yet. You're going to have to keep watching the video to see. So washing cars, okay, cleaning cars, yeah.
Detailing cars.
Oh, that's a good one. I was good at like drinking.
Blue lights.
Good, blue lights are good. Blue lights are flashing, or not flashing. Hair and makeup's all done?
Not really, but we'll figure it out.
All right, guys, welcome to the beautiful showroom here. This is sled number 3. I'm here with our buddy Cam again, one of the head techs here at Team Vincent Motorsports. We've got a really cool build we're going to be doing today, and we're actually going to be giving away as part of this video. You got to watch it to the end. We've got 5 really awesome little gifts that we're going to be giving away. So you'll want to stay tuned. We got a Yeti here. We've got a Skidoo X Team hat. We've got a really nice Lynx toque and a Skidoo X Team hat. And then last but not least, I know this is MJ's favorite t-shirt because I just saw her sporting this the other day, the Skidoo old school yellow retro t-shirt. So we're gonna get going here. This is our last sled build for the 24 season. Super excited. We haven't really said much about what it is, so we'll crack the box shortly and you guys will see it. So we'll do a full build. As we always do, we'll take you through from start to finish. And again, stay tuned to the end of the video, and we're going to tell you guys a little bit about the contest video for this one. All right, Cam, we're ready to go?
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint some of you guys. I know you're expecting us to get an 850 turbo this year. Didn't happen. The 900R makes more sense. So I'm super excited to see this now in the new G5. So it looks a little slimmer for sure. And of course we got it fully loaded. So this one's got every option, 10.25 gauge. It's got the smart shocks. And definitely love that hyper silver with the Spartan red accents. Looks really nice. Cam's a rock star. I can tell you what he would do is turn the wrench the right way. I just backed this bolt all the way out. It does look slimmer than the Mach though, right? So if you look, I mean, we've got a G4 sitting right there.
Oh yeah.
It looks way slimmer, so. That's why I was kind of excited that they put it in this G5. You think Dave would be mad if I go for a boot in the forklift? I was about to hop in and take her for a rip.
Yeah, I mean, you can if you want.
It's just really tight in there. And I got fat fingers. Exactly. Say it every time. It never seems to get easier. Come on, get on there.
If you want the next one, you can buy one of the MXE 200s. They're a little easier to put the shocks on.
Perfect. washers on the floor here.
Yeah, that's from the screws that hold the crate together.
Okay. Just making sure there's nothing major and that things aren't going to fall apart as we're going down the trail.
Hopefully not. Never know.
All right, well, we're back here in my garage, and what a fantastic time we had again doing those showroom builds at Team Vincent Motorsports. It's so much fun. We had a great time this time around. Big thanks to the whole team there. Special thanks to Cam, buddy. I had a really good time doing this, and we built, like I said, we built 3 sleds already this year. So that's it. This is the last one, ready to go in my garage. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you guys were paying attention, here's how we're gonna run the contest. So for those of you, the first 5 people, we had those 5 prizes to give away. The first 5 people to email us, show us that you're subscribed to our Sledaddicz YouTube channel. Just take a quick picture, include it in the email. And also show us a picture that you're following Team Vincent Motorsports social media channels on Instagram and Facebook. And what you can do is just, throughout that video, we had a little elf and he was kind of moving around to different spots. So send us in that email 3 spots that you saw that elf in. So what we're gonna do, the first 5 people that email us at sledaddicz@gmail.com and send us those details, we're gonna start to give away those prizes, and we'll get your information and send them out to you. So again, huge thanks to all you guys that are subscribing to the channel. We are all set for the 24th season. I'm thrilled. Really looking forward to getting out on the 900R and getting out on the backcountry XRS and Jesse's new MXZ. We can't wait to get up to Cochrane. We can't wait to start doing some filming for this season. And hopefully we'll get some snow, and we'll see you guys on the trail soon.